Our first and probably the most important designing in uncertainty tool we came up with is we call 1-star, 3-star, 5-star energy. And we said 1-star energy is anything where you're using diesel or electricity or something like that, industrial energy. We were uncertain about what the future was for that. We still are. We know it's going to get dearer and harder to get. And so all our systems have been designed to minimise the amount of industrial energy. 3-star energy is the energy that I would use if I went down the paddock with my hoe chipping weeds or something like that. It's cultural energy, it's human physical work. And I've had enough of that, so we try to minimise that as well. And 5-star energy is the energy that we get from designing an ecosystem on the farm. So 5-star energy is the energy that we design into the farm system. Here's an example of using that tool. This is an oat crop. Seeing we don't get any autumn breaks anymore up there, we use an oat crop for a bit of grazing through the winter, and then we fatten some of our late summer lambs on the grain that falls to the ground. But you use 1-star energy to put an oat crop in. We have to start the tractor and use diesel. That's breaking one of our rules. But this oat crop, this one here you're seeing, this photo was taken 2 years ago. This is its 7th year of the same sowing. And so what we've done is we sow it once. Now either we broadcast it out of the back of the 4-wheel mic, out of the fertiliser spreader, and then run the sheep over the top to bury it, or we direct drill it with our direct driller, and then we graze it through the winter, let the seed fall to the ground in the standing straw, and then we graze the lambs through that straw through the summer until there's the right density of seed left on the ground again. We crash the straw down over the top to stop the cockatoos and the galahs eating the rest of the grain, and the crop comes up again next year. And so this is the 7th year of that crop. So we've really reduced the amount of 1-star energy in that, but still generating a certain amount of feed for our sheep. So all the way through these slides I'm going to show you now, there'll be examples of this 1-star, 3-star, 5-star design tool to try and minimise our inputs that way.